I'm all about keeping my oral health top notch, so I got the Advanced Sonic Blue LED Light Whitening Toothbrush from Smileactives. This is the Vibrite Blue, which has a built-in LED blue light to help whiten your teeth. It's got 5 different modes, including clean, whiten, polish, gum care, or sensitive for your custom oral health. I now use it on the daily with my Smileactives Pro Whitening Gel and toothpaste. It's literally the best because not only do I get the best smile, but I also get a built-in 30-second timer to make sure I'm spending the right amount of time on my mouth. And there's no batteries needed. I just put it back on the charger when I'm done. Seriously, you need this for a healthy smile.